Oh, do I have an update for you guys. A lot of good and a lot of scary, so let's take a peek at what's going on now. Just watching that happen to fresh paint just stresses me out. Here we go. So yes, we are drilling holes into fresh paint on a new fender 1 week before this has to be done. And I will tell you, I am I'm just so excited, but I will say it is being done for good reason. So let's go take a peek at that reason. And that reason is we are installing the carbon fiber snorkel from Z1 Motorsports. And I'm gonna tell you, this thing may look good, but it's going to be quite capable off-road. Just so you know, that snorkel is available now on z1offroad.com. It is for the D41 Frontier, and while you're on there, they have tons of off-road stuff for all of your beloved Nissans. Check it out. Yep, so that's what it looks like to drill holes in a brand new fender that's just fresh from paint. Oh my goodness. Do you know how stressful it is to look at a brand new panel that now has holes in it? Oh my Lord. But in a few short minutes, it is going to look fantastic. So as you guys can see, the Z1 off-road snorkel is on. Now this is for a D41 Frontier, but obviously you guys know that the front of this is a lot of D41 parts, so that's why it fits perfectly. And I must say, it changes the look of this build. So that's it for today. I added a snorkel. I mean, I'm excited with it. Like, look at it, it's right there. Make sure you stay tuned because tomorrow's a big day. It's wiring, and I'm adding a roof rack. Tonight we're putting the rear door panels on, we're buttoning up the hatch, and we're doing some center console work. So make sure you like and subscribe because it's happening, y'all. It's happening.